Cruise ships have been a significant mode of transport, and these are large passenger ships used mainly for vacationing. Unlike ocean liners, which are used to transport, cruise ships typically embark on round-trip voyages to various ports of call, where passengers may go on tours known as shore excursions. Wealthy and rich families are embarking on a cruise ship travel. They get fascinated with the services and luxury cruise ship offers. Going to other countries has been the passion of many tourists, and they are overwhelmed by the thought of having a cruise ship travel. On a ship at night, my whole body feels like trembling and shaking. That's because of the unknown fear I am harboring. I was thinking of the unpredictability of life. Any time and any zone due to fortuitous circumstances, the ship might sink. Then, to comfort myself, I just prayed silently. Then I dreamed about flying in a helicopter. I was amazed by the views down. The beauty of nature is right up clearly to be seen from above. It was stunning and simply amazing. Then I saw people waving on their hands. It came to my senses that they really need help. I think they are in emergency. I told the pilot to maneuver and head back. The pilot then overturned the helicopter towards the direction of the people. Then it slowly landed and let the people get inside to be safe from the disaster they are facing. Then I saw an airplane soaring up in the sky. I was amazed by its magnanimous traverse in the sky. Though confronted with the heavy clouds, it still managed to traverse and headed to its destination. It's really an awful sight to behold.